katulad dati na malaki rin po yung marirelease natin para to avoid yung pag-apaw ng ating dam. So yun po yung parang maganda pong naging also with the directive of our President. So yun po, may mga
exploration. The revelations we've encountered compel us to reconsider not just the history of Japan, but the very narrative of human civilization.
Oo nga, at may
Sasagutin muna natin. Hello
Yan,
po.
sige. Thank you so much, Jessica. Kaya kayo mga kapuso, kung meron kayong mga nais na ipaabot sa amin na impormasyon, yung mga tulong na gusto nyong sana maipadala namin sa inyo o doon sa mga kinaukulan, pwede po.
Nilagay po doon sa tabi ng drum ng tubig. Doon po nakita po nung porter at saka nung vendor po ng prutas. Malaki na po eh. Yung mga bagong pangalan, iniwanan na puro kaso.
Nauunawaan po natin. Kaya don't ever think, hindi na kami mag-i-improve, ganito magulang namin. Wala na mangyari sa amin. Sa totoo lang, si Manasi nga, ang bait ng tatay, sumunod sa Diyos eh. Ang tatay, gusto ko makapag-asawa, kailangan may boyfriend ako or girlfriend. Wala akong sayang. Idol din yun. Nagkakaintindihan? Kailangan may ganito akong damit, kung hindi. Idol din yun. Imagine nyo si David, nagtatrabaho na sa barko, sa edad na 10, serving as a naval cadet ng militia.
Wala pa pong nagpe-pledge ng donation or
Let me jump in lang, just to be fair, the Manila Economic and Cultural Office.
You can use two pieces of a speed set as well, or mix two speed sets. As for the planar sets though, you want whatever will give you either brake effect, speed, or both. I recommend Talia or Kopagni Lantern. Now for your main stats, you're gonna want an
Province and the LGUs, yung mga evacuation centers. Alam natin limited yung pumunta sa evacuation center kasi napakalawak na nung sakuna and marami nga na-track na sa kanilang mga tahanan. So despite
mild siya. After mga 2 to 4 weeks nawawala yung mga butlig, natutuyo, okay ka na.
So may contact tracing na sa kanya?
Meron na.
Dineklara po ng Global Health Emergency na ng World Health Organization ito.
Kandidihan, our God can be depended on. Kaya nga, seek God today, not tomorrow. Because tomorrow might be too late. Huwag mo na
Usually I make these videos with everyone in mind, but this time I want to specifically make sure that all 13 players pulling for Rappa have a good time. After all, I get it. I also watched too much Naruto as a kid.
to their idolatry. Sinunog nila. At ganun din sa atin. Sabi ng Lord, yung idols in the heart. If your hand causes you to sin, cut it off. When your eyes causes you to sin, pluck it out. Ang buhay na binigay niya sa atin.
Maraming salamat, Pastor Bong, sa pagsagot ng aming mga katanungan. Ngayong Oktubre po, ang Elevate at Next Gen ay nagdiriwang ng Youth Month. Nasa puso
全てが燃え尽きるまで。
減速完了。
グランドチェンジ、いずれ風に吹き落とされる。
さあ、存分に味わえ。
about its use and meaning. Granite is extremely hard to work with. This makes the circular oval shapes and perfectly smooth channels on the surface of the structure quite impressive.
根は巡る、いずれ風に吹き落とされる。
Kumanan o kumaliwa. Na, talagang diretso lamang ang kanyang kaisipan. Now, pag-isipan niyong mabuti. If somehow God will summarize our lives, anong klaseng buhay kaya?
In your dreams.
Of all the things you could get for Rappa, I'd recommend E1 if you plan on spending. Her free-to-play accessible light cones are really good as is, and you can easily zero-cycle current MOC without her signature.
Act 90-degree angles. The region around Yonaguni has a rich history and mythology that includes legends of lost continents and great floods.
"もう少し部屋の中を確認してみようか。
Discovery in the same region of Asuka was the massive granite coffins found within the Ueyama Kofun tumulus. The construction of these coffins looks very similar to the megalithic stone Ishi. Some might deem a celestial visitor. Today, there are museums in Japan that even show a recreation of the vehicle encountered in 1803.
Controlled by these feelings. I'm controlled by my God. Are you following? Kaya, kung nagdidepend ka sa Diyos, siya mismo ang tutulong sa'yo para ikaw ay mabuhay ka. Ito sabi. Sa inyo, for those young couples, listen to this. Turuan niyo yung mga anak niyong makinig. Ha? Paano yun? Sa zero pa lang? Opo, pwede na po. Alam niyo ba yung bata? Napansin niyo ba yung trabaho? Gawa ka ng bahay. Diskubrihin mo, aralin mo na mabuti. Naintindihan po? Ang laking factor ng mga magulang. Andiyan pa kayo.
Mga kapuso natin doon. Jenzel, kamusta ang mga kapuso natin dyan?
Magandang umaga mga kapuso. Nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Manila North.
So, paano po ito nakakaawa, nakakahawa, yung close contact? So, sa Pilipinas ba, pwede natin masabing alarming na rin ito? Hindi pa naman.
Ng mga sasakyan, yung mga malalaki lang katulad ng mga van, SUV at yan, yung mga ganyang truck no, ay dahan-dahan lang sa pagmamaneho para sila ay makalusot. At yan, ang unang balita, wala rito.
Trend, past binds us, para tayo sinakil and makes us hopeless. In Christ, God frees us and gives us hope. Are you following? Kaya sabi ng
gigantic Baalbek stones found in Lebanon, which are also a historical mystery. We have to consider that even today, with our modern technology, we won't
and soonest I think it will be a go kung wala namang magiging problema because we have existing ASEAN partnership agreements.
I think if I can read it.
Magtanong-tanong ka na. Bakit? At kapag kaya mong absenan pagdating sa opisina, ay hindi ka mag-a-absent, di tanungin mo, saan ang seguridad mo? Trabaho o Diyos?
バット忍者さん、拙者からの忠告だ。安全のため、お主と仲間は早くこの夢の地から離れた方がいい。あれらの邪推が現れた。
There's another site, which unlike the keyhole structures we showed you so far, doesn't resemble, but looks like an exact copy of the Japanese kofuns. But there's a twist, an energy within the shortest possible time frame. However, the practices observed here appear to contradict these principles. If the workers lacked machinery and had to make
16 na barangay ang binabantay ng mga otoridad sa bayan ng Tumawini dahil sa banta ng pagbaha. Lalo pat malapit ng umapawang tubig sa ilog. Mahigit sa 100 individual ang nasa mga evacuation center sa bayan.
Sa Diyos. Di ba kung magluto nga tayo, talagang maingat tayo eh. Kasi gusto natin masarap. Para kanino? Sa atin. Ngayon, pag magluluto ka na at gagawa ka ng anything para sa Diyos, then you also do the same.
with the vast cave networks of Longyu Caves, the Huashan Grottos, and more. All of these extensive sites were centers of monumental construction efforts. Strangely, It doesn't resemble any other architecture in Japan. Many believe it is some kind of representation of the celestial vesicles of the gods. But to this day, no one knows
Ako ano-anong pinaggagawa. Hanap ng thrill sa buhay. Kasi wala naman silang naiisip na pwedeng gawin eh. Iniisip nila parang, ganito lang palang kami. Wala, nakakabor ang buhay. Nakakabor talaga. Biyak
na walang supply ng kuryente. Samantala, tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang monitoring sa mga river system sa probinsya. Igan?
Maraming salamat, Jasmine Gabriel Galban ng GMA Regional TV.
ito ay pagpapala sa atin. So hindi, yung pagsuway mo, siyempre, ito ay may masamang consequence sa atin. Hindi naman mababago ng sitwasyon ng Diyos. Kung gawin mo
that as totally damaged and partially damaged. I cannot give you a figure kasi baka naman ma-underestimate namin dahil hindi pa namin nakikita nga yung extent ng damage. Pero kung ang tatanungin nyo kung may available funds, again,
from where you are and say mo, Lord, I will follow you, Lord. Lord, no matter, Lord, though none go with me, I will still follow you. Kung yan ang commitment mo, you rise up.
Yung sa maramihang tao or kunyari lalabas tayo na naka-sleeveless, dikit-dikit sa mga tao sa daan, wag mo muna.
Kiskisan.
Wag mo nang kiskisan gano'n. Kung kaya nating may konting distansya, iba siya sa social.
Your children. At gayon din kayong mga bata, kayong mga teenagers, don't ever look down on yourself. You can do something by the grace of God. Hindi totoong bobo ka rin. Hindi ka bobo. Hindi yan totoo. Don't play a victim. Remember this, in Christ Jesus, we are victors. Listen.
Sandra Aguinaldo. Sandra!
Yes, Igan, patuloy nga ang pag-ulan dito sa Baguio City. Pero Igan, masasabi ko na moderate
Naiipit sa mga pagbaha. Igan.
Maraming salamat, John Consulta. Ingat.
Mujo! 恨みは嵐の花となって散りゆく。
Ito ay pagpapala sa atin. So hindi, yung pagsuway mo, siyempre, ito ay may masamang consequence sa atin. Hindi naman mababago ng sitwasyon ng Diyos. Kung gawin mo
truck na hihila at mag-aalis doon sa unang truck, yun doon na sa pinakagilid, no, para mabawasan doon sa tatlo, no, uunahin yon tapos isa-isa yan. Tapos sa mga puntong ito, patuloy naman
that the original placers of the stone chose its location specifically because of this natural water feature, seeing the spring as a symbol of endless life or a to a height of about 25 meters. Realizing the potential significance of his find, Aratake alerted marine scientists, including Professor Masaki Kimura of period on the shores of Harayadori in Hitachi province. Local fishermen witnessed a perplexing sight. An unusual craft was seen drifting toward the shore. This
「何だったんだろう」「夢に入る前」
ang security namin nandito. Kaya minsan akala natin, ako wala akong Diyos-Diyosan, wala akong ibang sinasamba. Hindi totoo yan. Kasi minsan, kung saan yung security mo, yun ang Diyos mo.
May sipol, no? May
Sipol,
sipol.
opo, yun po. Nag-wheezing po sila. Oo.
Doc, may mga test ba na ginagawa para masukat yung paghinga?
Yes. Karaniwan po, ang ginagamit po natin
Ang sabi niya, when such a thing is threatened, your anger is absolute. Kaya pag nawawalan, galit na galit ka. Your anger is actually the way the idol keeps you in its service and its charm.
Kasi inantay pa yung test results, pero now that we have the results, we're coordinating para kung pwede na siyang pauwiin. Under isolation, pwede po yun.
Alright, gaano po kadelikado itong sakit na ito at ano po yung paalala?
And peace. Jesus is our Passover Lamb. Kaya maliwanag na sinabi ng Panginoon, Diyos, tinan nyo, clean out the old leaven, that you may be a new lamb. Sabi ng Bible, because your heart was tender and you humbled yourself before God, when you heard these words against this place, against these inhabitants, sabi niya, you humbled yourself before me.
That as totally damaged and partially damaged. I cannot give you a figure kasi baka naman ma-underestimate namin dahil hindi pa namin nakikita nga yung extent ng damage. Pero kung ang tatanungin nyo kung may available funds, again,
older and possibly prehistoric origin, hinting at the works of a lost advanced civilization. The theory that Mount Nokogiri could have been an ancient quarry long. Take a look at the spectacular rock-cut tombs in Kyushu. These tombs are hewn into the sides of hills and cliffs, utilizing the natural rock formations as both.
Kumanan o kumaliwa. Na, talagang diretso lamang ang kanyang kaisipan. Now, pag-isipan niyong mabuti, if somehow God will summarize our lives, anong klaseng buhay kaya?
So, saan po ang punta natin ngayon?
Pupuntang Cagayan de Oro po.
Cagayan de Oro. Kailan pa po kayo nandito?
Yung 22.
22 pa po, okay. So, bakit niyo po napag-decide
na yung lugar, hindi naman po maabot ng ating mga line personnel dahil po sa tindin ng pagbaha. At kinailangan pa pong magsakay ng bangka yung ating po.
Cover remnants of an unknown civilization that once mastered the landscape, both above and below the sea. These structures suggest a sophisticated knowledge of engineering. It is unknown what caused the extinction of this culture, but most likely it was some sort of cataclysmic event. If we visit the town of
Sa panig po ng DSWD, lalo't mataas pambanga sa ilang lugar. Paano po ito, Secretary?
Iyan, ang rescue ay nasa ilalim ng local government unit.
This is going to be time. And if it's as big Ultram, the cost is also probably your physical health. Speaking of physical health, if you're flying somewhere, you can catch physical illness. And if you're playing gacha games, you can catch mental illness. And if you're Rappa, I barely know. I barely know her. All right, you guys know the drill. I'm going to be going over Rappa's best teams. There's a grand.
Because our God is the source of all wisdom. Now, tuloy tayo. Masabi niya, tingnan niyo naman itong mga tao na to. Paano ka naman, hindi ba tingnan niyo ito si George Washington. Ano niyo ba yung sabi ng Bible, because your heart was tender and you humbled yourself before God, when you heard these words against this place, against these inhabitants, sabi niya, you humbled yourself before me.
Hieroglyphs, a type of script completely unknown to them. This story of the Utsuro Bune, as the craft came to be known, appears in 3 different ancient Japanese